Hey guys, I am so grateful and happy that Daddy was able to take some clips during the time that I was on labor. Nung napanood ko yung clips after kong manganak, sobrang naging happy ng heart ko kasi nakita ko how worried they were, how excited they were, and how much they actually took care of me. Around 11 p.m. na ako nagpadala sa birthing home and kahit sobrang late na, gising pa rin yung mga bata, inaantay na lumabas yung kapatid nila.
Mama, you okay?
Dili na siya nagsambay? Dili na siya nagsambay?
5 cm na ako nung dumating kami sa birthing home. Pero mga ilang minutes lang yata yung difference nung naging sobrang intense and sunod-sunod na yung pain. Naalala ko nung sobrang sakit na, naging busy si Daddy kasi he has to prepare the things that is needed sa delivery room. So wala nang nag-help sa akin to ease the pain like he was doing sa video. But I am just one lucky mom kasi yung mga anak ko to the rescue agad. Hindi lang na video ni Daddy pero I can still remember na nilapitan ako ng mga anak ko and sila yung nag-rub ng back ko. Hanggang sa nag-decide na yung mga midwife na dalhin na ako sa delivery room. Thankful ako kasi yung mga ginagawa ni Daddy sa akin, the way he takes care of me, he protects me and everything. Talagang nakikita ng mga bata and sila na mismo yung sumusunod. Sometimes naman tinuturuan sila ni Daddy, just like dun sa pag-rub ng back ko, sabi ni Daddy sa kanila na ganito dapat gawin para ma-help natin si Mama to ease the pain. And they really took notes kasi nung time na kailangan ko na ng help and si Daddy busy, nag-initiate sila na i-rub yung back ko. So, diba, they are just 5 years old and 3 years old. Pero, sobrang caring na, sobrang maalaga, sobrang gentleman. So, wala na talaga akong mahihiling pa. I am just so lucky, I'm so blessed na may mga anak akong ganito kababait at ganito ako kamahal.
The one they do. Cut the chocolate. Oh. Get so excited.
Plus one. Plus one.